Okay, going to do a quick review on Family Chef. Uh, 3-piece storage containers. Food storage set. Place. Okay, they're 3-cup capacity. Use them in the microwave, in freezer, refrigerator. You stick them in, wash them in the dishwasher. You can also wash them by hand, obviously. They're pretty good little size. Pretty decent little size containers. Put food in. Put your leftovers and stuff like it. Leftovers and stuff in. You get them at Family Dollars. We sells these, so we've been using them for a while. We use a lot of food storage containers around here. You want now? I just let you come back in a minute ago. You don't have to wait. Sorry, dogs. One of the dogs want now. You get. There's 3 pieces. 3 to a set. You get the box. Lid that goes to, or that attaches to it. You want the banana? Hang on a minute. Let me finish this real quick, Rosie. Let me finish this and I'll give you your banana. They're pretty nice little storage bins. Storage, food storage. Like I said, you can microwave them. Good in the freezer. Refrigerator. Put the food in. Put leftovers in or heat stuff up in your microwave. I've been using them for water too for the animals here. Maybe I had one of the dogs and then I had to keep one of the dog baby in one of the crates. We had problems over there. Probably gonna have to take her to the vet. And I put some water in one of them last night and gave her water that way. Poured a drink in the crate. You can buy them at, like I said, it's Family Chef, plastic, food storage set. You can buy them at your neighborhood Family Dollar store. They're a pretty nice little set to store food in or heat it up in a microwave. Whichever you want to use them for.